Hi, it's me, Micah J. L. Mitra, Teacher MJ for short. I'm from Quezon Province, Philippines, and currently the GEG leader of Quezon Province, formerly trainer, coach, and innovator, but now I'm under the renewal process of becoming a trainer again. And recently, I handled different trainings about artificial intelligence and Google certification. And I want to become a trainer. I want to renew my trainer certification because I know there's a lot of mission to reach a lot of teacher to train, not also teacher, but also the student and even the community to train about digital uh, empowerment in our um, country. So I hope that this video will accept and continue my trainer journey. Thank you. Here's a quick tutorial on how to create a short video for your learners. Open your Google Chrome and locate the Google App Launcher, then locate the vids. Open this and then click the storyboard. After clicking the storyboard, in this portion, describe the video in few sentence. Example is create a video about fruit salad making. Then click next. After clicking next, it will show you an outline. If the outline is okay to you, then click next. Then select template, example this one. Then in a few seconds, it will create a video for you and for your learner. The video is already created. So it's up to you if you want to customize. Here's the customize icon. And now there you have it. Thank you.